Before doing this problem, we have to know this three theorem, identity theorem. Identity theorem. क्या है आइडेंटिटी थ्योरम? If from D to C, let n be sequence such that f of n equal to alpha belongs to n, and an convergent to k, where k belongs to D. Then f of z equal to alpha for all z belongs to D. It's have a second form, that if an equal to gan and an converges to k belongs to D, then f of z equal to g of z. Now here given that f z belongs to C. Now first option, f of 1 by n equal to f of minus 1 by n equal to 1 by n square. First of f of 1 by n equal to 1 by n square, and 1 by n tends to 0. That is f of 1 by n equal to 1 by n whole square. F of z equal to z square. F of minus 1 by n equal to 1 by n square. Minus 1 by n tends to 0. F of minus 1 by n equal to minus 1 by n whole square. Implies f of z equal to z square. This satisfies only identity theorem, unique theorem. So this is true. Second, f of 1 by n equal to 1 by 2n plus 1. Then 1 by n tends to 0. Then f of z equal to, if 1 by n equal to z, n equal to 1 by z. 1 by 2 into 1 by z plus 1 equal to z by 2 plus z. And f of minus 1 by n equal to 1 by 2n plus 1. If minus 1 by z equal to z, implies n equal to minus 1 by z. F of z equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by z plus 1 equal to z by z minus 2. These two functions are not equal. That's why this function is not satisfy unique theorem. So this is wrong. Third or fourth. Third, given that f of 1 by n less than equal to 2 to the power minus n, then implies f of z equal less than equal to 2 to the power minus 1 by z, 1 by 2 to the power 1 by z. But for all z belongs to D. Let's have a counter example. For there are two problems. First, to prove the option is true, we have to prove it by theorem. This or this. If we have to show this option is not true, then we have to give a counter example. For this, let's take fz equal to z. F of 1 by n equal to 1 by n. 1 by n tends to 0. But if f of Let's z equal to half, then f of half equal to 2 to the power 1 by half. One by 2. If z tends to 1, then f of z equal to 1. But 2 to the minus 1 by z equal to 1 by 2, where f of z greater than 2 to the power minus 1 by z when z tends to 1. So option 3 false. Here also we can apply same theorem. Fz equal to z, for z equal to then 1 by root z less than f of z mod less than 2 by root z. Here also here also f of z tends to 1, f of z tends to 1. So 1 by 1 less than 2. This is not true. This cannot be happen. 1 by 1 less than 1. This is not true. For half also we can see it. If z equal to half, then 1 by 2 root less than f of z less than 2 by 1 by 2 root. Root 2 less than, remember, 2 less than 2 root 2. Here happens. But when z converts to 1, then this is not satisfied. This is not satisfied when z tends to 1. So this is also false. Only option 1. This problem. Again, here given that first option, given that phi of z subset of z mod less than 1. इसका मतलब for any phi z naught belongs to z less than 1. Let now 0 belongs to c minus 1. Here this is domain given. So phi of 0 equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. So 1 does not belong to z less than 1. So first option false. Again, if we take second option, if we take z not equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0 I, there also real of z naught less than 0. Now f of phi of z naught equal to phi of z naught 1 minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 1 by 3, which is greater than 0. Here given that, so 1 by 3 does not belongs to z belongs to c, so that real z less than 0. यहाँ पर क्या गिवन है कि रियल जेड 0 से लेस आएगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे ये तो ग्रेटर देन 0 आ रहा है, तो इसलिए ऑप्शन 2 ऑल्सो फॉल्स ना। ऑन टू का क्या मतलब है? हियर लेट्स टेक फाई जेड इक्वल टू डब्ल्यू, देन डब्ल्यू इक्वल टू 1 प्लस जेड डिवाइडेड बाई 1 माइनस जेड। नाउ डब्ल्यू बाई 1, तो डब्ल्यू प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई डब्ल्यू माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 1 प्लस जेड प्लस 1 माइनस जेड डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस जेड माइनस 1 प्लस जेड। जेड जेड कैंसिल, 1 1 कैंसिल, then implies w minus 1 w plus 1 equal to 2 by 2 by w plus 1 w minus 1 2 by 2z equal to 1 by z implies z equal to w minus 1 divided by w plus 1. Here onto का means all codomain equal to range means onto, but here in range set C phi of z not phi inverse z not defined on minus 1, so z equal to w belongs to C w minus minus 1, so this is not onto. Now phi C minus 1 equal to C minus 1, C minus 1, हाँ अगर यहाँ से -1 निकाल दें तो ये मेरा इसके साथ सेम आ जाएगा, क्योंकि ये मेरा क्या है, रेंज सेट है ना, तो रेंज सेट में -1 नहीं आएगा, -1 को छोड़ के और सारे एलिमेंट आ जाएंगे, तो इसलिए ये ट्रू हो गया है। अब ग्रुप ऑफ, इसके लिए that have one theorem that if f from Zm to Zn, then the number of group homomorphism equal to GCD of Mn। तो यहाँ पे f ऑफ Z10 से Z20, तो नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप होमोमॉर्फिज्म इक्वल टू GCD ऑफ 10 20 इक्वल टू 10 ना। यहाँ पर क्या गिवन है, सो यहाँ पे ये सही हो गए, ये तीनों फॉल्स।